Well, welcome back. Another beautiful day at the Homestead Project. By the way, Lisa and I are trying to come up with a name for this place. The house we live in right now we call Xanadu. To us, that means a place for creativity. This place is just chock full of so much magic. We're having a hard time coming up with a name that really suits this place. But stay tuned, that'll come soon. Today, I'm going to be working on building a base for the 2,500 gallon storage tank. I have a couple of options for a base. I really need a base. I could just leave the tank on the ground here, but this ground has got quite a bit of stone in it. And I'm afraid that once that tank is filled, it'll weigh in excess of 20,000 pounds. And if that were to settle in any way into some rocks, there'd be a possibility that I might puncture the bottom of that tank, and that certainly we don't want that to happen. So I'm going to build a base. The options that I considered were to pour a concrete base, a 4-inch slab, a 10 by 10 base. And, you know, the other option would be to put a pea gravel base in. The pea gravel is a lot more cost effective, and I like that. So that's what we're going to do. Today I'm going to get the tractor, we're going to grade out a 10 by 10 area and get that level, frame it, and install about a 4-inch layer of pea gravel. right, so that took a little longer than I expected it to, but I'm all level, good to go. I did not pick up the pea gravel, but I'll go tomorrow to our local quarry, pick up the pea gravel, deliver that here, spread it, and we'll be good to go with the base. See you tomorrow.